Hey guys, let's go over the dumbbell bicep curl. So chances are if you've been in a gym, you've performed these. It's a great isolation movement to strengthen the muscles in the bicep. Typically in our programming, we use this as an accessory movement at the end of the day rather than the main core of a workout. So with these, you'll need a pair of dumbbells. Okay, you want to keep your elbows in tight and then simply just curling it up to about shoulder to chest level. You can perform these alternating like I am here. You can perform these dual right here. But what we want to avoid is using an excessive amount of body English like such to get the dumbbell up. If you are, just simply try and back the weight off to where you're staying relatively tight on these. And again, these can be performed standing like I am, or in a seated motion as well. But again, we want to avoid using too much body English to get the weight moving. And that right there is the dumbbell bicep curl.